public-private partnership initiative, we ask organizations like Beacon House, and we've got quite a number of partners who've come in, to take over schools with good infrastructure. And what we've done is in the last few years, we've built some school under Japanese grant and the US grant, Government of Sindh's own funds. These schools with good infrastructure, we hand them over to education management organizations under the public-private partnership banner. And they have been able to provide quality education in government schools, and I request Beaconers also to come and join us in this initiative. It's ongoing, and I'm sure that your contribution, your partnership with the Government of Sindh will enable to provide education to the underserved, as we said, and that's the other thing, the other initiative that we're taking. A lot was said about AI. I learned about AI about 4 decades ago when I was studying. And the way they defined AI at that time, I don't know if I've not kept up to the mark. The way they defined it as at that time was to teach machines do things in which humans are better. So they're trying to emulate humans. So unless humans are there, the machines, AI would not take over. So I tell you, yes, AI is, it's not a threat, it's an opportunity. But that sort of gives us all the incentive to do better in this competitive setting. So obviously going forward, AI is going to be centerpiece of all education universally, and in AI, what we need to teach the children, as I said, there's so much information around. When we used to study, we used to learn how to answer questions, how to solve problems. Now we have to teach people, or we have to teach our children how to formulate problems, how to ask questions, and that is how AI is going to change our education in the future. Once again, coming back, I'm grateful to Beacon House for inviting me here today. I'm very, very excited to join you in your 50-year program, the culmination of the 50-year program. I congratulate you all for the excellent work done over the last 5 decades. Your contribution in teaching the children of this country has been instrumental in producing leaders in all fields, and inshallah the organization that you started half a century ago would continue to provide to do the good work that you started. Once again, thank you for having me here today, and I wish all of you a very, very happy Golden Jubilee celebration. Thank you very much. Pakistan Zindabad.
Thank you, Honorable Chief Minister, for your words and for being part of this milestone moment with us. Now I would request the CEO Beacon House, Mr. Qasim Kasuri, to please join us on stage to present the souvenir.
For the book also, we just give it. It's not in your...
No, it's not. Okay. We'll also be presenting the commemorative collection of stories, Ek Dafa Ka Zikr Hai.
this legal